Hello, this is Andrew Nicholson, Acculab Product Manager. In this video, what I'm going to show you is our new licensing scheme to remove and reinstall a license onto a server that is offline. Just briefly before I actually perform the steps, I'll go through the concept with offline servers. So with our new scheme, it's a client-server approach, which requires a connection back to the Acculab license servers when you're doing any actions on the licenses, such as installing them or renewing them or removing them. Now, if this connection is not possible from the actual target server, a way this is possible is to use a new tool from Acculab called the ALT, Acculab Licensing Tool, which is available from the Acculab website on the downloads area. You use that with a connection back to the Acculab license servers, and then you manually copy and pasting strings between the ALT, which might be running on an engineer's laptop, and the target server where he's performing the operations. So I'll now go into the system. So here's my ACT running on my laptop. At the moment, it's connected to the internet. I've got various licenses on here. So first thing I'll need to do is turn the Wi-Fi off, so I go offline. And I'm going to remove the license, and it's going to ask me to use the ALT to do this. So I'm going to pick this last one here. I've enabled the remove button here previously by ticking this box. I'm going to remove that one. Okay, so it's detected I'm offline. It can't reach the license servers to validate this removal, so it's asking me to copy strings. So it's given me a string. I'll copy that to clipboard. That was the previous one. So if I put that string into here, so there's my, at this point it's a delete string. Right, so what I now want to do is use the ALT to tell the Acculab license servers that I've deleted that string from this offline server. So I need to go back online first, because I'm doing everything from this laptop, so I'm having to toggle it on and offline. Now I fire up this tool, the ALT, which you download from the Acculab website, as I said earlier. And there it is. It's a very simple thing, just 3 buttons for copy pasting strings, basically. So this one I'm doing in removal, so I click remove, paste my remove string into there, press go. Okay, and then it gives it what it's now done is giving me another string. I'll copy that to clipboard and show you that. So what the system has now done, it has freed up this license, and you can either install it onto a different machine, or you can reinstall it onto the same machine. So that's in terms of the Acculab licensing system, it now knows that this license isn't actually installed anywhere. So what I now want to do, what I'm going to do is reinstall it back to this offline server. So I've got my offline still online. I'll just show that. I need to go offline again. And I want to install a string onto an offline server, which will obviously fail again and ask me to use the ALT. So I'm going to install a PROSTIUS key, which is the one in XQOP, as you saw earlier. What it's saying, the ALT has been unable to connect to the ACLAB license server. So it's telling you to paste this string and use that to do the install to the offline machine. So I'll copy that string. Let's just copy that into here. That's my fail string. Right, yeah, I now need to copy that fail string into my online ALT. So I have to go online again. So I'm going to install my failed to install string there. Okay, now what it's given me is a license key that has been validated back with the ACLAB license servers to install onto the offline server. I'll just, if I copy that, I can then shut this down. Show you what it's given me. So that's the license string it's given me. Install onto the offline machine. So if I now I need to first go offline again. Show you that it does work offline. Install that test key. It began test 2017 A12. There it is, and it should be back.